Hello everybody, welcome to my October kit lineup. And shockingly, for the most part, I would say like 90% of everything that I need is pulled, which I'm like, round of applause, because it takes me a long time. So before we get into October, I'm just gonna quickly go over the September stuff that I have officially and have finalized. So yes. So I did get the Leaves 2.0 for this Hello Pumpkin kit, but because I got it in gold, I feel like I actually am going to end up saving it because I feel like it will look good with other things, and I like this, so this is staying. The Golden Woods kit, I did get the Planet Hannah Butterfly Kisses underlays. I do have a code with Hannah, it's Fantasy 15 if you want to save 15%. I got Butterfly Kisses in Olive because I wanted to bring out some of those. I think that's going to be absolute fire. Didn't change anything here. This one for the Spooky Pumpkin Patch kit, I got the Pennywise underlays in her burgundy. It gives me like Scarecrow vibes, so I was like, perfect. And now we can move on to October. So I mean, I guess technically this is October, but I like to start where it says like October. So October 3rd through the 9th, I am using the Rocky kit from SPC. Big fan of Rocky Horror Picture Show. It's a cult classic. It's one of my favorites. I love this kit. I love this art. I love that Jess did this. It makes me very happy. So this kit is very red, purple, and pink. So here's my problem. So I thought somebody purchased this kit and then purchased this with it, and I was like, this is gorgeous. This is one of the older foil bundles. It's a Twinkle Hollow Party, I believe is the name of this. So it's beautiful, like the magenta, like the shift, gorgeous, obsessed with this. But I purchased the Planet Hannah underlays Hey Boo in sparkly red. These like clash in my opinion. But is it enough that like, even if it's an underlay, cause like the pink, I think I might try it. Because I think this underlay is perfect because the hearts and like Rocky Horror is all like lovey and stuff, kind of, you know, a little bit. I don't know. Could have got aliens too. But this Hollow Party is just blowing my mind with this kit. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. It's gonna be like a game day decision, but Rocky is definitely getting used. It's just a matter of like, I'll figure out my foil situation as it goes. So then for October 10th through the 16th, that is the week of Bennett's birthday. Bennett is Andrea's son, and I always celebrate all of her kids' birthdays because they're like basically my nephews and niece. So he got Level Up 2.0. I'm stoked. So I used the original Level Up kit for Avery's birthday in February, but I feel like this is, I mean, it totally is just completely different vibes, different color scheme. It's gonna look so cool, and I'm really happy to have this in my planner twice. So here's the thing. I got the rainbow underlays from Planet Hannah and Chris because these are fire flames. So there's a foil bundle that is not coming out until later this year. That is going to be perfect with this kit. Like, I have heart eyes thinking about it. So I'm not going to show you that, obviously, because it's not coming out till later. But that foil bundle is getting used with this kit. I also, during Planet Hannah's sale, purchased the custom, she does custom full box overlays. It's like a 4-sheet. And I think for everybody's birthday spread that I do like a specific thing for, I'm going to get that. So I got that with rainbow foil, and I have one that says like, Happy Birthday, Bennett. I think I got one that said like either Level Up or Game Over, because I thought that would be kind of cute. And then I got like one of the Minecraft boxes. Super stoked. This rainbow foil though, beautiful. So that is October 10th through the 16th. Oh, it's also my anniversary week, but like, who cares? I'm so excited. What year? What's this year? 2022? 12 years. Oof, that's a long time to be with someone, but love him. October 17th through the 23rd, I am using the SPC Scream kit. Again, classic favorite. I love Scream. It's one of my favorite movies. He's just, love him. But yeah, really excited to be using this. So I had to pull in the bloody underlays from Planet Hannah. These are in burgundy because it just goes so well with this kit. Like, it's so beautiful. So foil wise, I'm thinking silver. I haven't fully decided, but I think silver would be just kind of like basic but good. So do silver with this, with the burgundy underlays. It's gonna be a win-win. I'll probably do like twinkle or confetti, and then I could totally pull in some like Halloween boxes and quotes and stuff. Looking forward to that. So that's October 17th through the 23rd. October 24th through the 30th. Oh, Halloween's on a Monday. Ugh, that's not fun. Anywho, I have the Let's Have a Seance kit. Oh my gosh. Everything about this kit makes me happy. I was actually looking at my spreads from last year, and Darcy came out with art that was like the same color scheme as this last year, and she just has a good thing going. This color scheme, lovely, wonderful, perfect. Oh my god. So I'm using this kit, and then I have 2 different underlays from Planet Hannah. So first and foremost, what I'm doing is I'm using the SPC black bougie boxes, which these are available in shop, okay? And then on top of those, I'm using Jason and Pumpkin. Let's do this. Jason and Pumpkin and Freddy in Olive. I think the olive is a little too dark, or a little, like, they're too off. Maybe the lime could have been really cool, but I think it's okay. Like, I'm not too worried about it. So those are going to go layered on top of black, and I'm going to try and use as much, like, I could pull in a black foil bundle, but again, I might just do, like, maybe even hollow? Gold? Hollow? I don't know. I might just pull out a black foil bundle because, like, or like go through my black and see if I have any like black overlays or anything like that, because like I don't want to mess with this too much. This combo is giving me life. So that is going to be October 24th through the 30th. My allergies are kicking in. I can feel my throat starting to hurt. Last but not least, October 31st through November 6th. It's the week of Halloween. Zombina from SPC. This had to be my Halloween kit. I'm obsessed with this, so it's just... I'm sorry, like I just get so excited about kits and things. This just makes me so excited. I'm obsessed with her. I'm obsessed with her nails. I'm obsessed with her. I'm obsessed with all of this, the colors, everything. So for this kit, I'm doing kind of the same thing as Let's Have a Seance. So I'm kind of doing the opposite. So I'm using the Chunky Dots underlays from Planet Hannah, 1 in purple hollow, 1 in blue hollow. You could do so much with this kit. And then on top of that, I think these are actually the Freddy overlays, but they're old. I've had these for forever. They're still from Planet Hannah. They're just old in hollow, and I'm gonna layer them on top. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so good. And then I'm thinking, again with this one, I'm just gonna go full sparkly hollow, full hollow to the max, make this the most intense, bright, fun spread ever, because it's Halloween, and I want it to be fun and bright and exciting and Halloween. So that is going to be it for my lineup. I'll show you guys one more time just so you can see October. Okay, hold on, let's start here. So October 3rd through the 9th, Rocky kit from SPC, Twinkle Hollow Party, Hey Boo, Sparkly Red, we'll figure that out. October 10th through the 16th, Level Up 2.0, Chris underlays in Rainbow. I have something else I'll be using later. October 17th to the 23rd, Scream from SPC with the Bloody and Burgundy. And then October 24th through the 30th, Let's Have a Seance with both Freddy and Jason. Is it Jason too? I didn't realize they were both Freddy and Jason. Yes, how fun. In Olive and Pumpkin. And then October 31st through November 6th, Zombina with the Chunky Dots and the Hollow. I think it's gonna be extra exciting. I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope you guys are as well. I know I'm behind in spreads, but when the time comes, it's gonna be great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.